Hello everybody, Rainbow Runners back, another video. This is my first main episode of Railfanning for season 4. And yeah, video for you guys. And we're at Gilbert's once again. Guess that's a good way to start off my first main episode of Railfanning after the specials I did on the Amtrak. But yeah, Outbound's heading our way, coming up to the pedestrian bridge. Not sure how well we'll be able to make out the locomotives, but I'll try to speak as loud as I can. Anyways, the crossing gates will activate any second. Still got... Okay, it's blaring its horn a little bit. This car will make it. I'm not sure about that one. The gates are active. Looks like the car's gonna stop. Here it comes. All right. I hope I got them all. Wow, so several locomotives on the front of the train, and then exclusively hopper cars. But yeah, gates rising. I know that Mark, aka Railroad Train Spotter, has noted that sometimes the Gilbert Road crossing gates aren't functioning as well as they should be. Yeah, there go Elliot's gates. But yeah, the gates are staying up. This gate right here isn't wiggling back and forth or anything like that. It's still holding. But yeah, it's gonna continue down. But yeah, signal still holding at Elliot. About to finish passing Lindsay, I presume the train is. Again, I hope I was able to call out all of the locomotive numbers. I hope I was also able to get a good shot of them in the video as well. And yeah, I know it's 8004 as opposed to 2004, but yeah, at least I know that's definitely the lead locomotive. All right, well, I'm gonna conclude this video. Definitely want to get one out before the end of July. There's the water tower in Gilbert, of course. Nice colors. But yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching again. Rainbow Runner will be heading out. Bye.